So let's move on to the next question. So I've already told you that we have to see the modern based sorry, meaning based approach. So let's move on to this one. In February 1995, Doris Schopper became, okay, it's all about past tense. So this is subject, this is verb. Doris Schopper became president of the International Council of the Medicine Ren Sans Frontières, okay, known in English as Doctor Without Borders, okay, but known as this Medicine Sans Frontières, okay, the world's largest independent international voluntary emergency medical assistant of the relief organization. Again, it's telling about the Doctor Without Borders, okay. It's telling about this, or you can say that it's telling about this one, because if you remove this part, because it's inside the comma, so it's telling about the medicine sans for frontiers, okay. So I think so the answer is good. It's telling about, it's known as, okay, medicine sans. Now look at the second option, medicine sans frontier. The English for it's what we don't want English, we want what is medicine sans frontier in English, named as, no, we don't want this one. Again, English. We don't want to. We are, or you see, we meaning based approach is that we don't. We have to see the meaning. The first sentence, and the main thing is that we have to focus mainly on on the meaning based approach of the first sentence, not on the meaning based approach of the all those sentences. If my first sentence is telling about the medicine san frontiers, not about not about that it's English or is in other language. Doctor Without Border, as they know what they know, who they know. We don't know. We don't know about they. Or Doctor Without Border, which is in English. So this is which is a volume telling about this Doctor Without. This is absolutely rubbish. So our answer is A.